Okay. Well, let's see how this turns out. We're attempting to drive home. What is it? The 18th or 19th of January. It's probably up there on the display. Highway 1's closed. Highway 26 is closed. Highway 75 is closed. So I'm on Highway 2. I'm west of Starbuck. The visibility is kind of bad. Oh, there we can see for a second. That's because we got trees there. As soon as we come out from behind the trees, we'll be able to see again. Okay, yeah, very windy too, by the way. Oh, I'm coming up on some cars. I'm going to throw my four-ways on. I guess they don't want to do 90 in this kind of weather. It's very flat here, not a lot of trees, not a lot of respite from the wind. When I left the community center, the roads actually were dry, so that's a bonus. You don't really want to be driving on this with black ice added to the mix. Makes the road a little bit crazier. As of right now, well, we're not doing too bad. 80 clicks. Hour-long trip probably is going to take close to an hour and a half, an hour and 45. I'm expecting not to get home till it's dark. So anyway, yeah, here we go. Looks like I got lots of messages popping up. Good times. You notice when you come to the end of a tree line, there's a massive drift or train crossing or anything like that. So gotta be super careful when you're driving this kind of weather. Not only is it windy and icy and snowy and hard to see, but those drifts, man, they'll jump out and they'll get you. Little Ozzy and Iron Man in the background there. See how long the radio lasts. I have some trouble with the radio, so it might cut out all of a sudden. You know, the interesting thing about weather conditions like this is they do tend to close some of the roads, but leave other roads open. However, if the highway's closed and you're caught driving on it, the fines are pretty big. Last I heard it was over $300 plus 2 demerits on your license. Pretty serious stuff, don't want that. Well, the road there looks pretty slick, so gotta take it easy. Notice everybody's got their lights flashing. And make yourself as visible as possible, obviously. Oh, he's got a light out. Minor defect. Headlights would be good though, right? Talk a little bit about headlights. You know, in the 80s, Saskatchewan had Lights On for Life program. I remember that distinctly, being something that they taught in the schools. I guess if you teach the kids, the thought is that you're going to take it home to your parents. But anyway, once I got my license, started driving, discovered that Lights On idea is not such a bad idea, you know? Even in the daytime. Yeah, this is pretty bad here. I'm having a hard time seeing the road, but slow down a little bit. Take it easy, right? The ability to see cars, pretty important one. See, you saw that car's lights before you saw the car, didn't you? So that's why we drive the lights on during the day. During bad weather conditions, lights on for life, right? Yeah, pretty windy here. Again, the roads still feel good. They don't feel icy at all, so that's a bonus. Hopefully this system moves through so that by next week it's gone. Oh, look at that. I've caught up to traffic. There was a truck behind me. I don't see him there anymore.